Hello everyone, from today we will learn about the Adobe Premiere Pro software. Adobe Premiere Pro software is a video editing software used by many of the cinematographers, filmmakers and content creators. This is the base video editing software. You must download this Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to learn the Adobe Premiere Pro, you must download Adobe Premiere Pro from this website. Get into PC. First of all, you have to download and then you have to install that software in your PC. From today we will learn from very basic that Adobe Premiere Pro, how we can edit any video, we can make cinematography, how can we edit any type of video on this editing software. The system requirements for this softwares are already present on Google. You can Google it and install this software in your editing. For your editing experience, first of all you have to download this, and we will start a single lecture from tomorrow. I will upload videos regarding every single tool of Adobe Premiere Pro, and we will discuss each and every effect, every settings, every editing tricks on here in this channel. Kindly subscribe this channel, visit this channel on daily basis and watch all videos to learn Adobe Premiere Pro. So next video will be related to the introduction of Adobe Premiere Pro. Today I was just making this video to tell you that how can you download Adobe Premiere Pro and install Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the method, this is the website. Search here in your search bar Adobe Premiere Pro, and you have to directly download that and then install it. Next video we will open the Adobe Premiere Pro and discuss each and every tool of Adobe Premiere. So till that, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and receive every update of my video.